It began with fire and ambition. In 1977, humanity launched Voyager 1, a small, tenacious machine, on a grand tour of the outer solar system. Its mission, to visit Jupiter and Saturn. But its destiny was far greater. This was the start of an interstellar journey. Voyager 1 was built to keep going, to travel beyond the sun's influence and become our first emissary to the stars. It was a bold statement. We are here. We are curious. We are looking for you. Packed with instruments, it revealed Jupiter's storms, Saturn's rings, and moons with volcanoes and hidden oceans. After its planetary encounters, the real journey began. In 2012, it crossed the heliopause, entering the space between the stars. Humanity had finally dipped its toe into the cosmic ocean. Voyager 1 is more than a machine. It is an extension of our senses, venturing where we cannot yet go. And as long as it sails, a part of us sails with it. For 47 years, Voyager 1 was a faithful correspondent, sending data from the edge of the galaxy. But in October 2024, the line went dead. It started with a routine command meant to activate a heater, but something went wrong. The spacecraft's fault protection system detected a problem and, to protect itself, shut down the primary X-band radio transmitter. Suddenly, Voyager's main voice was silent. The familiar signal vanished from NASA's Deep Space Network. Imagine one moment you're in contact with humanity's most distant object, the next, only static. The connection, nurtured across billions of miles and decades, was severed. The silence was a chilling reminder of the fragility of our link. A single command, sent with the best intentions, had seemingly silenced our farthest messenger. The team at NASA faced a daunting challenge. How do you fix a problem when every question takes 2 days for a reply? Was it a glitch? Or had a critical component finally failed after half a century in space? The team worked tirelessly, analyzing every scrap of information, running simulations and preparing new commands. The world watched and waited, hoping the silence was not final. We were faced with the possibility that we had lost Voyager 1 forever. The blackout stretched on for days, deepening the uncertainty. Each hour without contact was a reminder of the immense distance and the limits of our technology. The silence was more than technical, it was existential. Would Voyager ever speak again? The silence from Voyager 1 was more than a technical glitch. It was an emotional blow. It tapped into our deepest fear, being alone in the universe. For decades, Voyager 1 was our voice in the cosmic darkness, a comforting presence far from home. Its silence felt like a door slamming shut. This fear of cosmic isolation drives our science, our art, and our search for connection. We build telescopes, send probes, and write stories, all to answer, are we alone? Voyager's silence amplified our sense of solitude, making the universe feel bigger and colder. It reminded us how fragile our reach truly is. We can build machines to cross billions of miles, but the connection is a tenuous thread, easily broken. The loss of Voyager's signal was humbling, showing us the limits of our technology and the challenges ahead. It was a dress rehearsal for the day when both Voyagers will fall silent forever. These missions are more than scientific instruments. They are symbols of our highest aspirations. The fear during the blackout was not just about losing a machine. It was about losing a piece of ourselves. Voyager 1's silence forced us to confront what these missions mean. They are our silent ambassadors, our story unfolding in the galaxy. The incident made us reflect on our place in the cosmos. It was a reminder of our vulnerability and our longing for connection. Even in silence, Voyager 1 made us feel the weight of cosmic isolation, and it made us cherish the fragile thread that still connects us to the stars. In the face of silence, NASA's engineers didn't give up. Voyager 1 had a backup, a weaker S-band transmitter, unused since 1981. It was a long shot. Would its faint whisper be detectable across 15 billion miles? With cautious optimism, the team sent a command to the dormant S-band transmitter. Then, the long wait began. 46 hours for a reply. On October 24th, a signal appeared, faint but unmistakable. The Deep Space Network had picked up Voyager's cry. The spacecraft was alive. It had received the call and answered. Relief swept through mission control. Humanity's most distant explorer was not lost. The connection, though weakened, was re-established. This faint signal wasn't a return to normal operations. It was a simple tone, a message of survival. It said, "I am still here." For the scientists and for all of us, that was enough. It was a whisper of hope from the edge of the solar system, a testament to the resilience of a machine built nearly half a century ago. The near loss of Voyager 1 forced a moment of global reflection. It wasn't just a story for scientists, it captured the world's imagination. The silence revealed how much we've invested, emotionally and philosophically, in this tiny probe. Its potential loss felt personal, a stark confrontation with the vast empty stage of the universe. The incident was a lesson in humility, exposing the limits of our technology and the fragility of our cosmic reach. Our creations are not immortal. Our connection to the cosmos is not guaranteed. The silence was a reminder to appreciate what we've achieved. Voyager 1's story is intertwined with our search for connection, carrying the golden record, a message to any who might find it. The fear of losing the probe was a fear of losing that potential connection. The faint signal that returned was reassurance. Our ambassador was still out there. The crisis became a mirror, reflecting our anxieties and hopes. We saw our fear of the dark, our desire to shine a light, and the finite nature of our existence. The fact that we care so deeply about a machine so far away says something wonderful about us. We are explorers at heart, always reaching for the next horizon. To understand the drama of the blackout, we must appreciate Voyager 1's incredible journey. Launched in 1977, it's been operating for nearly 5 decades, built with technology ancient by today's standards. Yet it has survived radiation, freezing temperatures, and cosmic rays. Voyager 1 is a testament to the engineers who built it, robust, redundant, resilient. It's an old traveler, bearing the scars of its long journey. In recent years, it suffered memory problems, sending back gibberish. NASA's engineers performed remote surgery, rewriting software to work around the damage. Its current location, over 15 billion miles from Earth, beyond the solar system, in the interstellar medium. It is the first and only active human-made object in this realm. Every piece of data it gathers is a first, a new page in our understanding of the galaxy. Voyager 1 revolutionized our view of Jupiter, Saturn, and the edge of the Sun's influence. Its long life, marked by discoveries and recoveries, makes its survival precious. Voyager 1 is not just a machine, it is a historic artifact and a working laboratory. Even with contact re-established, Voyager 1's future is uncertain. The main X-band transmitter remains silent. Engineers proceed with extreme caution. Each command is a risk. One wrong move could end the mission. But the greatest threat is not sudden failure, but slow decline. Its power source, the RTGs, lose energy every year. Engineers have been shutting down systems to prolong the mission, but time is running out. By sometime after 2025, there may not be enough power for science instruments. Voyager 1 will become blind and deaf, a silent relic drifting through space. By 2036, its signal will be too faint to detect. The conversation will end, and the silence will be permanent. Humanity's longest-running mission will fall silent. We must cherish the time we have left. When the power fades and the last signal vanishes, Voyager 1's mission will not be over. It will become a cosmic ambassador, carrying the golden record, a 12-inch gold-plated disc. The record is a time capsule, images, sounds, greetings, and music from Earth, chosen to represent our world. It includes greetings in 55 languages, music from Bach to Chuck Berry, and the sounds of our planet. The golden record is not just a message, it's a symbol of hope and curiosity. Voyager 1 will carry it for thousands of years, wandering the Milky Way long after we are gone. It may be the last remnant of our existence. The record says, even if we are alone, we reached out. We sent a message of peace and friendship. Voyager 1 is our lonely, beautiful attempt to connect with the cosmos. It is a golden ambassador, carrying the story of Earth. Its journey will outlast us all, and somewhere, someday, it may be found. The story of Voyager 1 is a story about us, our ingenuity, curiosity, and wonder. Its journey from launch to the interstellar void is one of humanity's great epics. The 2024 crisis reminded us how precious and fragile that journey is. Voyager 1 is more than a probe, it is a cultural icon, a symbol of our best. Its legacy is written in science and in the famous pale blue dot image, a reminder of our shared home. Voyager 1 has shown us our place in the cosmos, not to make us feel small, but connected to something larger. Even after its final message fades, Voyager's journey continues, a silent ghost ship from a distant star. It carries our music, languages, science, and hope. The story of Voyager is not over. It has just begun its longest chapter. It is our enduring echo in the cosmos, a whisper of who we were, traveling forever into the great, beautiful unknown.